Jesu wayehamba nabafundi in the sea, and they came across isivunguvungu noma istorm noma umoya onamandla. Babe sebayakhumbula kuloyo moya in that storm. They remembered there's a man who's sleeping. And babekholwa babemazi, they had seen him doing wonders, but they were still in the storm. It took them to remember there's a man who's sleeping who can save us. uJesu loyo, uJesu loyo, uJesu loyo. Ungenzeka ukuthi nakwena ukhohlika ukuthi kunendoda. In your situation kunendoda. Akalele. He's waiting for you to come and call on him. He's waiting for you ukuthi uthole indawo yakho kuyena. Today is the day where any situation that you have, any pain, any problem you have, it ends la namhlanje ngegama likaJesu. Where you are, just 2 minutes, just tell him what is in your heart. Angazi mina, I cannot see okusenhliziyeni kwakho, okunye awukwazi ukutshela umfowethu ukuthi what is in your heart, but there's something in your heart that bothers you. Awukwazi ukuyikhuluma. Ukhona uJesu, ukhona uMoya oNgcwele. He's your helper, umsizi wakho, just for 2 minutes. Azalwane, tell him what is in your heart. This is your chance. This is an atmosphere that you need. Who is the Imona la bose kenene bose Imana la bose kenene bose la hamone bose. Ungathuli nenkinga yakho ngenxa yokungakholwa. Ungathuli. He's able. Akukho ongakwazi ukwenza, akukho ongakwazi ukukulungisa. UJesu ophilayo, uJesu onamandla, okwazi ukwenza zonke izinto, okwazi ukushintsha